Hi, this is Salt Squid Club, and what are we doing again?
We're doing sound effects.
We're doing sound effects. So these are all your choices. Simpsons, lava chase, see that dinosaur? They're trying to eat the kids. And that guy, he sounds like a cat in there. So let's do this.
So what happens?
There's nothing in the room but you and the test.
So these are 6 different cues we'll see. Clock, then the pencil, the light, and we get to choose sounds for each. The eraser, the pogo stick, and what's number 6?
Eyebrows.
All right.
First I'll do that one.
So this one's for the clock.
TikTok. Yes. This is good, right, everyone? Way too loud. Yes. Excuse me, I booked.
And then she's just like, ignore the microphone, just chat. Oh my, it was weird.
Easier said than done.
Yeah.
No.
A Foley artist, they're the ones that like say there's a dog in the scene. They put on gloves with like dog toenails on them. Oh, and they make the sounds.
It's
One more.
Or like glass, all that sound.
Yep.
All right, we ready to watch the final scene with our sounds in there? Okay, go ahead, press the view finished scene button.
You can do it, I said. There's nothing in the room but you and the test.
That's us.
So, let's get on to our next thing.